What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Thanos from Among Us. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center page we draw two curves. Let's start with the one on the left. Start from the very top, bend this out towards the right, and then back down. Let's line this up over on the right and do the same thing. From the top we're going to connect the ends with a curve coming down and up. Do the same thing across the bottom. From the top we're going to step down. It's going to bend the horns going across and up toward the left. Line this up on the right, going out and then up. From the ends, we're going to bend this down and then in towards the bottom. Bend this back down and in towards the side. Let's tuck the visor in underneath. We're going to start on the bottom left, curve this around like an oval, go across the bottom, go up and back in on the right. Now from the top left side, we're going to go up, bend that down in behind the horn, go up to the top of this curve and go up, across, and then down on the top right side. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to curve the head going out and then down. Let's add that large jaw. Starting from the left side of the visor, bend this across and then down towards the jaw, round up the chin, pull this up towards the right, bend this up and back in underneath. Let's move to the center. We're going to add a small curve for the mouth. And we'll add those lines across the bottom of the chin. Let's start on the right, and this up and in. Leave a gap. We're just going to continue over towards the left side. Now from the edge of the visor on the left, we're going to step over and draw an oval. From the top, coming down, and then back up. Let's go up to the top, in behind the horn, curve this out, and then down on top of that oval. Line this up on the bottom. We're going to curve the body, going in and then down. Let's go underneath the chin on the right side. We're going to tuck this in, going down towards the same height, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Going down and up. Do the same thing on the right, and we'll leave a gap in between the legs. On the left side, draw a curve going up towards the body, and then we'll add a fold, going across and then up. Go to the bottom of the right foot, bend this up underneath. Let's add a curve along the bottom of the legs for the boots. Now over on the left side, we're going to add in the arm. Let's start from the side of the body, and bend this out and then down towards the wrist. Draw a half circle for the thumb. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add three fingers, starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve the first finger, coming down around the bracket and then up. Go to the side, add the second finger, going out and then up. And then the third finger going all the way around the arm and then up towards the top. Now we're going to bend the edge of the arm coming in and then back down. Let's add a seam, drawing that same curve. Now we're going to layer that backpack in behind the arm. Let's start from the side, and it's out and down. Down towards the bottom, and then from the thumb, curve this back in towards the side. Now on the right side, we're going to raise the infinity gauntlet. Let's start from the wrist. We're going to draw a curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the inside, curve the forearm, going up and then out. Round up the palm, going up towards the fingers. Now we're going to curl three fingers around the top. We're going to step down, go around the palm, up and then down. Step back up, add the second finger, going up and then down, and then one more time, coming in and then down towards the thumb. Let's layer the thumb in behind. So we're going to step up, draw a half circle coming in, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the bottom. Now I'm going to do the same thing we did on the left side. We're going to add a trim across the bottom of the arm. Now we're going to add three stones across the knuckles and then one larger one in the center of the hand. So let's start from the left side. Add one circle, move our way across towards the right, and we'll draw one more in the center, and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Thanos from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.